Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's talk a little bit more about Google Photos. So, if you have accidentally deleted photos or videos into your Google Photos locked folder, do you know how stressful can that be? The bad news, well, the folder is designed for ultimate privacy, meaning deleted items are usually permanently gone. Unlike regular photos, the locker folder does not use the 60-day trash bin. So there are two specific small windows of opportunity and two places we must check immediately to see if any recovery is possible. First of all, let's check the device recycle bin. When you move a photo into your locked folder, it is moved from your phone gallery where you deleted from the locker folder. It is deleted from the Google photo system, if this makes any sense. So, but it may briefly appear into the local device recycle system. So, when you visit the section you wanted to focus for the device, let's say, for example, that I clicked this a specific photo that I have from a pet that we did have. So what I'm going to be doing here is to move to a locked folder, and this one says moved. Alright, now let's go back and let's go and focus for our albums, and let's look out for our locked folder. So in this case, I needed, of course, to once again enter my actual passcode in order to have access to this, in this case, for example, sensitive content. If you have two-factor authenticator, you must need it, of course, to grant the access between both of them. And once you are now inside there, you can see that here should be appearing our locked folder. Here is our image. Let's select the image and let's use the option that says delete permanently. And there we go. There's nothing here yet. Now let's go to our device native file app, like the file into Samsung or the default file application. Usually, for example, if you are using a phone, what you can do is to try to aim for files into your smartphone, for example, Samsung, like this, where you can see the actual files that were saved into your phone and not into the application per se. So look for a folder called recycle bin or trashed. So depending on what is the actual let's say the smartphone they're going to be using, I'm going to be typing, for example, let's say this is a Samsung S21, and I type recycle bin location. Really important to type the word says location. Here into Google is going to be telling you where you can find this recycle bin. So go into your device and try to find this element. So scroll through these trash folders. If the file was very recently deleted, there's a small chance it might be appearing temporarily moved here before being permanently erased. So this is a very narrow chance, and the file is usually only there for a day or two something. The second option is to check the Google Drive storage backup. Now, the only way a photo is recoverable if it was backed up to the Google Photos before you moved it into a locked folder. You want to focus for the Google application folder once again, and here you can look in and look out for the option that says trash. Search and scroll through this 60 days trashed elements. If the photo was still backed up to the cloud when you delete it, it might be appearing in here. And if it don't, what you can do is to try to look out for the one that says archived. This might be appearing in here, and if it still doesn't appear, remember that the locked folder is locally encrypted storage. So when you delete something from the inside it is permanent. If you delete something from the main gallery, it goes to the 60-day trash. So you're going to be checking the main trash just in case the photo was deleted before the actual moved. And the most important thing is prevention. The locked folder does not use the trash system. So treat every deletion from the locked folder as a permanent irreversible action. If you want to delete something, the fastest practice is to move out to the locked folder and back into the main gallery first. So in my case, I wanted to look out, for example, for the Google backed up. And here is to check your backed up element. Here we have an actual article of where we can actually find our actual backup element of our own stuff. Now this, for example, is only working for Google Play and the App Store. You can download the desktop application you want to do. In my case, I think that I can be looking out for this element. Now that I'm inside here, what I need to do, of course, is to use a mobile device in order to see if this one is available into my device, and I can see if there is an actual way to save my actual images. So if you don't have an actual backup, if you don't have, let's say, deleted and this one is not appearing into the trash or directly into your recently added, well, unfortunately there might be not actual ways to check your trash or to into the archive. So hopefully guys, this was one of the useful tools that can help you to resolve your issues. So unfortunately those are just a few ways how you can restore this element. You do have now the restore element of the photos and into the video, but this is totally optional. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel guys if this was very useful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time.